Alright Penelope, Molly, Everly and Brenda, we're going to the meeting, and since we couldn't find you girls a babysitter, you girls will stay the night at the Autobots base.
Wow! Thank you, Mommy.
My name is Optimus Prime. We are autonomous robotic organisms from the planet Cybertron, but you can call us Autobots for short.
Have a great time, girls.
So girls, are you excited to have a sleepover?
Yeah.
Good night Bumblebee, good night Smokescreen, and good night girls.
Good night, Ratchet.
Good night, Ratchet.
Good night,
Good night, Ratchet.
Do you know what I am thinking right now? I am thinking about making a funny prank on Penelope and Molly and their friends. Since it is 3 a.m., I am going to pull the fire alarm and wake everybody up. Wake up, everybody!
Oh my god. What's going on?
Bumblebee. Girls. The fire alarm is going off.
Oh no, we have to evacuate the house at 3 in the morning.
Very unusual for the fire alarm to go off at 3 o'clock in the morning. It's so loud. Make it stop. It's okay Ratchet, Smokescreen, Bumblebee and girls, it's just a fire alarm, and it will stop soon.
Boy, are we gonna be tired.
Yeah, Smokescreen, we should get some sleep. Let's get back to sleep. Good morning, Ironhide and Ratchet.
Good morning, Ironhide and Ratchet.
Good morning, Ironhide and Ratchet.
Why we say let's get some breakfast.
Yeah.
Bonecrusher, we just heard you say that you woke up at 3 a.m. and pulled the fire alarm and woke everybody up at 3 a.m. That's it. You are grounded until Spider-Man Brand New Day comes out.
Go to your room now.
I hate turtles! I hate tails! I hate that hedgehog!